kids, once again I am back with the subject English language, English grammar. Okay, so today in this class we will do something new. So everybody, you see page number 51. Sorry, page number 51, not 50. See here what it is written, Granny's garden. So we will read something about Granny's garden. Read the paragraph below, underline the naming words and circle the describing words. Here this line should be read very properly. So once again you read with me what it is written. Read the paragraph below. There is a paragraph, you have to read. Underline the naming words. Which are naming words? There you have to underline. And circle the describing words. Describing we have learned. I think you know very nicely. So come, let us do. See, first you observe the picture very nicely. In the picture only something, by seeing the picture you can understand many things. This is a granny, then some fruits, plants, rose. Okay. So come, now the text, let us read the text. Here what is written? Pico likes to visit his grandmother. So this boy, his name is Pico. Pico likes to visit his grandmother. Her house is old and big. Whose house is old and big? The granny's house is old and big. It has a garden in the back. Back of Granny's house there is a garden. The garden is Pico's favorite part of Granny's house. So Pico likes this garden very much. So it is his favorite part. There are many kinds of plants in Granny's garden. There are vegetables like radish and spinach. The garden also has a mango tree. So vegetables here mentioned, 2 vegetables, radish and spinach. And there is a mango tree. It has sweet and juicy mangoes. So this mango tree, that mangoes are very sweet and juicy. This year, Granny planted red roses at one end of her garden and yellow sunflowers at the other end. So 2 flowers names we got. What, children? Yes, it is red roses and yellow sunflowers. While reading, these points should be cleared. 2 vegetables names, 1 fruits name, 2 flowers names. Pico helps Granny by watering the plants. If I ask you the question from this passage that how Pico helps Granny, then you can answer very easily. Pico helps Granny by watering the plants. He also washes the vegetables after Granny takes them out of the ground. So this is very interesting. While doing reading, you should read loudly, properly. So first only when we have started this Granny's Tales, Granny's Garden, this chapter, what you have seen? Here it is told that underline the naming words. So when you have read here, children, so you have to underline the naming words and circle the describing words. Where I will not help you. Describing means here some, I think I am just telling you, sweet, juicy. Here red roses, yellow. This is describing how it is. Okay. See here one line is there that here you see that mango tree. The garden also a mango tree. So this mango, how it is juicy and sweet. So these are the describing. There you will circle. And the naming words like Pico, many more you have to do. Okay, now the next I am discussing you about the chapter related to this comprehension. You see, children, the correct answer. Okay, whom does Pico love to visit? Here it is given his grandfather, his grandmother, or his mother. So this is very easy, you have to just tick. Next, the question, what is Pico's favorite part of Granny's house? Bedroom, kitchen or garden? You think you will be able to solve it. I will not write the answer because if I write the answer, it will become a very easy task. Let you do. What did Granny plant in her garden this year? This is very interesting. Yellow roses and red sunflowers. Red roses and yellow sunflowers, or white lilies and yellow sunflowers. This part in your book you will only do. Okay, another part is there, that is B. Complete the following sentences. It is like fill in the blanks. Number 1, Granny's house is dash and dash. When you will read that comprehension, you will see the answer is there only. Everything, whatever I am discussing here, children, everything is related there. Next, number 2, the garden has vegetables such as. While I was teaching, you remember, children, what vegetables? Yes, the answer is coming, isn't it? But I will not tell you. Number 3, the mangoes are dash and dash. Again, how is the mango? Yes, you reverse the page and you will get the answer. Pico helps out Granny by. There is a big sentence. How is Pico helping? It is very interesting, no, children? Okay, so what you will do? Page number 52. Whatever I have discussed here, I have told you, you do as homework. Okay? So today the class is over and you have a nice day. Enjoy the day. Thank you, children. Ta-ta!